You may have heard the term cloud computing. What is it and what does it mean to you? Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet, and organizations of every type, size, and industry are using the cloud for data backup, email, disaster recovery, software development, big data analytics, and much more. For example, healthcare companies are using the cloud to develop personalized treatments for patients. And video game makers are using it to deliver online games to millions of players worldwide. Developing cloud skills, specifically AWS cloud skills, can help you launch a career in many industries. AWS has launched the AWS Restart program, which prepares veterans and people who are experiencing unemployment or underemployment for cloud careers through virtual classroom-based training. In this 8-week program, you'll learn from scenario-based training, hands-on labs and coursework, pursue AWS certification, and prepare to launch an entry-level cloud career. If a career in information technology interests you, this is the perfect opportunity. ACI Learning is excited to collaborate with the AWS Restart program to offer this training to you. Take the first step today. Visit acilearning.com/AWS to learn more.